How to cancel order on Food Panda app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's tutorial, we will learn how we can cancel order in Food Panda application. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up the Food Panda application if you have already installed it. Or if not, you can simply open up the official website, that is foodpanda.my, and make sure to log into your account. And if you have placed any order and if you have changed your mind to cancel your order, now you can use the helps feature of the Food Panda. So for that, what you have to do is tap on your profile icon at the upper left, and here you will find helps, then tap on it. Now once you land on this page, tap on the first option, that is help with my orders. Now here you have two sections, that is your upcoming orders and past order. So under the upcoming orders, you have to navigate to that orders that you wish to cancel. There you will find a button as cancel order. Tap on it and then you may be asked to choose a reason for your cancellation. Select an appropriate reason and confirm. After confirming, you will receive a notification or confirmation about the cancellation. Refund details, if applicable, will also be shared. So that's how you can cancel order in Food Panda application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.